Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Mini, then I'll take you for a drive in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 1.5 Cooper D automatic, 2015 on a 15 plate, has done 53,804 miles, 2 registered owners, fuel economy, urban 65.7, extra urban 80.7, combined is 74.3, top speed of 125 miles per hour out of 140 brake horsepower, 12 valve engine. MOT is until the 18th of the 7th 2020, but we'll get it done again before. And obviously the fuel economy is so good, it's zero road tax too, which is absolutely excellent, saves you a fortune. Lovely colour combination, British Racing Green. It's got, whether it's leather or not, these days you never know, but part leather and cloth, a kind of a plaid cloth inside. They're really good to drive. It has got a great specification, automatic as well, sat nav. But I'll show you around. So we've got the chrome pack around the lights, the grille, this kind of front splitter on it. Multi-spoke mini alloys. We have the black roof and the black mirror backs, sill protectors, chrome door handles, got the plastic wheel arch protectors, electric boot release, rear wash wipe there. You've got the integrated kind of tailgate roof spoiler, this satin aluminium look-alike mini badge and boot handle, load cover there. It's got a false boot floor. There's a little bit of space underneath this as well. This lifts up. 60/40 split rear seats. The chrome exhaust tip there. I had to put the Z forward. I would never have got in, but there's room for 2 kids in the back, or perhaps 3 kids here. We've got 3 inertia reel belts here, and also you've got the rear child seat Isofix anchor points there. The leather or leather effect panels in the centre, and then the cloth on the outside. I think usually it's the other way around really, but the interior of it, the car is lovely. It is a great colour combination, really well finished. I'm going to have to get a stuntman to get out the back of these little cars. I'll just take you for a ride in it. We've got 2 of these round mini keys. It's keyless go, so no need to have them really. What I do like is this little start-stop switch. So foot on the brake, click it down, engine starts. Automatic gearbox. As I say, it's a really nice specification. It's got Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. The controls are here, very much kind of BMW style design. Click there and we've got navigation. That's my best mate. I don't know how he manages it, but he always rings me when I'm doing a video. Right, so anyway, we've got the dual screen sat nav there, which is a really nice, good display. This kind of mood lighting thing, which is overkill in my opinion, but no doubt lots of people like it. It also changes when you change the mode from, you've got green mode there, mid mode, sport mode, and just your driving modes. But I think we'll go in we'll go in mid mode, see what that's like. Typical Mini driving fun. So we'll see how that goes. Right. There we go. So we've got height and reach adjustable steering wheel as well. The one thing about Minis, all Minis, even the old ones, they do drive really well. A very sporty ride. They handle great. Obviously, these Minis have put on a bit of weight and got a bit bigger since the original one, but kind of still maintain the same sort of pedigree. Let's just knock that over there. Check the mirrors are working. Yep, mirrors working fine. And we'll just go around this roundabout. I'll just show you the handling. Quick off the mark. So good turn of speed, 0 road tax. Very, very economical, nice and quiet, smooth, fun to drive. Plenty of room too. In the front seats anyway, you can get a very, very comfortable driving position. You've got this little kind of thigh support pad which you can pull out. You've got height adjustment. There's also rake adjustment and backwards and forwards from the front here. Cruise control on the multifunction steering wheel. There's your audio controls on the right hand side, telephone, voice activation, automatic wipers there, auto headlamps. This display is pretty nice. I've got to say that round the outside gets on my nerves, but I no doubt I will be in the minority. And the fuel gauge there, instead of having a fuel gauge, it's lights on the right hand side there, which if I'm honest again I don't like. The rest of the car I do really like. It's a fun car. It's very, very comfortable, handles great, drives great. You've got this auto select there. If you knock it across to the left hand side, you can change down by knocking it forward and up by knocking it back towards you. But automatic gearboxes are so good these days, there's no reason really to put it into manual unless you're going down a steep hill, I would imagine, or up a steep hill. That's the display for the radio as well, the media. Just put that there. Oh gosh, we've got stop start as well. Let me try and show you kind of how it handles. One truck's moving over. Cop's going down. Here we go. That's the joy of a Mini, really. Cruise control here, so touch that switch there. That readies the cruise control, and then to set it, there we go. We're set at 66 miles an hour, we'll get it to 70. Oh, going too fast. That's 70 there. Just over 2,000 revs. It is really nice and quiet. I'd like this car to go past me. I want to see what it is. It's an RS or something. With blue headlights. I'm not going to overtake this policeman. We'll see the RS there go by. Spec car. Good wrap there. RS60 raw. So as I say, no, nice and quiet. It's windy today, and not too much wind noise. There's a kind of a crosswind. Not too bad at all. It is pretty quiet, and I'd be quite happy using one of these, to be fair. We've got another cop there. Looks like they might. That one had the lights on coming onto the. Oh. Not what you want to do. Could be looking to box somebody in, I think. As long as it's not me. Fun through country lanes, these. Pick a lane and stick to it, for goodness sake. What a terrible driver. Gee whiz. Just no idea. I think the safest place is in front of whoever. Oh, here we go. We'll give a bit of gas going through these bends. Just like a go-kart. That's really lovely. So next one we've got, as long as everything goes okay in the UK and we're not on shutdown, we've got a lovely RCZ, Peugeot RCZ, that's just come in, and Lance is on with cleaning at the moment. I'll pull over in a short while, show you how to set the sat nav, how to pair a mobile, how to delete a mobile, and how to stream audio through the system and the Mini. And we'll see you in the next test drive. Lovely car, very, very nice car inside and out, and a great specification too. Thanks for watching.